Natural perfumery is a completely different medium. That's probably the most important thing I can say. It's not just about avoiding synthetics or isolating certain ingredients. It's about learning to work with whole living materials, with the plant itself, with time, patience, and materials that are rarely predictable. It's not about being more pure or more noble or better. It's just different. Some people come to natural perfumery after years of working in conventional perfumery. Maybe they've trained in grass or studied chemistry and blending with aroma molecules. They already know how to build a fragrance. What they're looking for now is something else, a deeper connection, a new challenge, a way to return to the roots of the craft. Others come to it from gardening or herbalism or creative curiosity. They've never made perfume before, but they feel called to start with nature. Natural perfumery is a niche path. It asks more of you and it gives something different back. It's slower, more unpredictable, and more alive. Here at the Natural Perfume Academy, we teach people how to work in this medium, how to source real natural materials, how to extract, tincture, blend, and balance them ethically, safely, and beautifully. Whether you're just starting out or you've been creating perfumes for years, if you feel drawn to this work, there's a place for you here. You don't have to explain it, you just have to start. Visit npacertification.com to explore course options and start learning natural perfumery today. If you've made it this far and you care about natural perfumery even just a little, then honestly, one of the best ways you can support the Natural Perfume Academy is just to like this video, leave a comment and share it with someone who'd appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed, please do. It makes a real difference. We're a small academy doing this from the ground up, so your support genuinely helps us keep going.